How to hard reset Yale Assure Log 2. Hello everyone, welcome to this video where I'm going to teach you how you can easily hard reset your Yale Assure Log 2. So in order to do this, you first need to remove the battery cover and one battery from the lock. To remove the battery cover, you need to just slide it up. After that, you need to press and hold the reset button with the reset tool provided in the hardware box. Reinsert the battery while continuing to hold the reset button for around 1 minute. Then you need to just replace the cover, wait for 1 minute before setting up the Yale Access app again. If the lock was enrolled in a Z-Wave network prior to reset, it will need to be set up again. So these are some of the instructions that you need to follow in order to reset the Yale Assure Log 2. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.